How much is the price?
$55,000.
55. Okay, $55,000. So who's gonna pay? Are you gonna pay?
We don't have money.
You don't have money.
Lemonade.
This is lemonade. And what did you get? Mango.
Ice cream. The mango ice cream. Lemonade.
Yes. It's what?
Lemonade.
Lemonade. And this is
It's lemonade.
lemonade. Okay. Why do you like lemonade?
Because it's delicious.
Delicious. Why do you like lemonade?
That one taking a photo with you.
Do you agree that I take a photo with them?
Yeah.
Do you want me to take a photo with them?
Yeah.
Guys, if you've enjoyed this video so far, please do me a huge favour and hit the like button and subscribe.
Alright, so we're going to have something to eat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, move. You should always wait for the traffic to be green before you move. Ice cream, or we should go and eat?
Ice cream.
You like ice cream? So you tell me, what ice cream do you like? What ice cream? What kind of ice cream do you like? What flavor do you like? Yes.
Strawberry.
You like strawberry ice cream. What about you?
I like strawberry.
You actually like strawberry. There is mango. There is mango, strawberry. You like strawberry? All right. So we're gonna get something. All right, let's enter and see. What kind of ice? What kind of drink is this? This is what?
Lemonade.
This is lemonade. Yes, this is lemonade. Yes, lemonade with lemon. And what about this? This is what? This is.
I don't like mango.
You don't like mango? You like lemonade?
I like lemonade.
Lemonade. Okay. What about you? He likes lemonade. What do you like? I like mango. I like this. This is great.
I like
Come on see this.
I like ice cream.
Okay, this is great. Steven, Tom, come here. Okay, so there are different options here. You know, I love, this is great. I tried this. What is it? There's one with mango. This one. This is great with mango. This is what?
It's lemonade.
Lemonade. Okay. I like the one with mango. This one is good.
Mango.
Strawberry milk. Yeah.
Mango.
Yes. This is true. Super mango sundae. Straight. It's great. All right. So I like this. What do you like? What do you like? You like so you like lemonade, right? Lemonade.
Yes.
And what did you like?
Lemonade.
Lemonade. Okay. All right. So 1 mango, 2 lemonade. All right. Let's have a little tour of the place. Let's go there. Maybe we can wait. Let's go there. All right. So this is a drink shop. We're outside, yeah? Hi, what's up? Hello, what's up?
Hello.
What's your name? What's your name?
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm shy.
You are shy.
I'm shy.
You are shy. Of the camera. Yeah, you say it's normal. What's your name?
My name is
Lynn. Great. What's your name?
Ha.
What?
Ha.
Ha. Oh, great. And what's your name? What's your name? Minyai. Okay, right. Okay. Thanks. Nice to meet you. Nice to order. 2 lemonade, 1 mango. 2 lemonade, 1 mango. Make the order and come. You place the order. Okay, let's go. You make the order. In English, no Vietnamese. In English, not Vietnamese. Make the order in English to her.
Của em 55.000. 55,000.
No problem. Make the order.
Dùng đây.
2 lemonade, 1 mango, right? Okay. All right, how much?
50.
How much is the price? How much?
$55,000.
55.
$1,000.
Okay, 55,000 done. So how do we pay? So who's gonna pay? Are you gonna pay?
We don't have money.
You don't have money. So how are you expecting to pay? 55.
55.
I'm saying how do you expect to pay? I need to say 55. Go, let's go. Let's go wait. We wait, yeah? Okay, where do you want to sit? Here or here? What? Is it fun? Oh. Wow.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, they want.
Oh.
They want.
Whoa, this is bad.
Take a photo with you.
You want to take a photo with me?
They want to taking a photo with you.
Do you agree that I take a photo with them?
Yes.
Do you want me to take a photo with them?
Yes.
I should take a photo with them?
Yes.
Alright, okay. Okay, who wants to take a photo? Look first.
Oh my god.
So it's you.
Thầy lại ở đây.
Ê, bà ơi.
He doesn't want to take a photo. She's afraid of me. You will like. You will take a photo. You will take a photo. Come, photo. Take, let's go.
Chị đấy bị sao đấy?
Thầy béo lấy cái đốt mà ngồi cái ghế này, cái ghế nó bị cái ghế này bị tanh tanh này.
Alright, thank you. We have just 8% to go up. So is that what you ordered? So what is this? This is the
Lemonade.
this is lemonade. And what did you get? Yes, what is yours? This is what? Yes. This what? Lemonade. And this is this what? Mango.
Ice cream. Mango ice cream.
Okay. Why do you like this? Why do you like lemonade?
Because it's delicious.
Why do you like lemonade?
Because it's delicious.
Delicious. Why do you like lemonade?
Because lemonade is yummy.
It's lemon. And why do you like lemonade and lemon?
It's yummy.
It's yummy. Okay. And you are saying it's what? It's
Delicious.
Delicious. Okay. And you don't like ice cream, mango ice cream. It's nice. Try it and see. Try and see. Try and see. You try. What do you think? What do you think?
Ra nó vừa cắn một miếng ở đây.
What do you think? Do you like it?
Get me.
What do you think? It's yummy, right? What do you think of it? It's yummy. And you don't like it? You don't like this?
Yummy.
Yeah, it's super good. This is good. So what?
Quay làm gì đó? Thay
want to subscribe to my YouTube?
Dạ. Em ơi, chị có một điểm hay tiếng Anh thôi. Điểm. Chua. Đó là chua.
Alright, so we just enjoying our I got ice. How's it? How's your drink? How's your lemonade? It's good?
Delicious.
It's delicious. And what about you? Your lemonade? How's your lemonade? It's
20.
I didn't answer the price. Okay, how does it taste? Is it delicious? Is it nice? Is it tasty?
It's nice.
Okay. Alright.
Coffee.
thầy phong trồng cây phong trồng thầm thầy phong trồng thầy